Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Blu-ray player that you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. This can be for a DMP-BDT280 or other model of Blu-ray player. There's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the Blu-ray player not working or not connecting or just kind of glitching and bugging in any kind of way that you need to fix, this will fix a lot of those issues. The other thing is, if you want to set this up in a new area and just have it forget all the presets and settings you've got on it, we can go ahead and just do a hard reset on it. Now, we're just going to need the controller, and on the controller, we're going to press and hold the OK button, the yellow button, and the blue button for 5 seconds simultaneously until on the screen of the Blu-ray player, we're going to get a little, it's going to say on the screen, it's going to say 00 space RET in all capitalized. And that is a menu, and we're going to use the right arrow on the controller to toggle over from the 00 all the way over to the 08 option. It will say 08 space FIN, which is basically initialize, factory initialize the product. And then once we have that 08 FIN on the screen, we're going to press and hold the OK button for 5 seconds, and the Blu-ray player will reinitialize to its factory default settings.